What's up YouTube? Xiaomi is gearing up to launch its next big camera device, Xiaomi Mi Note 10. This is the first device in the world according to Xiaomi which will include world's first 108 megapixel camera inside. A phone with a 108 megapixel camera sensor which obviously take a great quality photo right from the camera. Along with 108 megapixel, we have other camera as well, and in total we will see 5 cameras inside the Mi Note 10. For detail about the camera I will talk them later in the video, so keep watching the video until the end. There is more to the Mi Note 10 than its main camera, though according to leaks we hear, and the specs from the Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro, a smartphone there that launched in China that we are expecting to be rebranded as Mi Note 10 elsewhere. In terms of launch date, we are hearing rumors that the unveiling is scheduled for November the 5th and its globally launch is not yet been confirmed. So let's check some of the cool specs regarding the Mi CC9 Pro, or you can say Mi Note 10. There are many leaks are coming regarding the display of Mi Note 10, but thanks to TINA certification we know that it will be of 6.4-inch OLED display with 1080p plus resolution, and it comes with a dewdrop notch on the front which holds 32 megapixel selfie camera, and the posters shown by Xiaomi on their Weibo account shows curved edges are present in Mi Note 10. On the right side we will see a power and a volume rocker button. While we have an IR blaster, as such no image has been shown which confirms that there is an IR blaster on the front, but thanks to TINA certification that they have mentioned that IR blaster is included inside the Mi Note 10. Similarly, the image which is teased by the Xiaomi itself, and it shows that the device have a curved edges on the front side, and on the bottom side, well, we have a headphone jack as well as a Type-C port. Along with that we have a noise cancellation, and there is also a speaker grill present bottom. Well, in terms of SIM, we may see a dual SIM inside, or we can say there are rumors that we may see a hybrid SIM inside the Mi CC9 Pro or Mi Note 10. Backside is where the fun begins, and we have a penta camera setup on the back side, in which one camera is of 108 megapixel and it includes laser autofocus, which is insane. It's the same sensor which Samsung and Xiaomi has announced earlier this year, and Xiaomi is the first device which is using. Its quality will be awesome because 108 megapixels mega image sharp and crisp. I'm showing some of the samples which Xiaomi has shared on their official account of Weibo, and these looks awesome, and the detail which are coming inside is also pretty much awesome. While talking about the other cameras, we have included a 12 megapixel telephoto lens which can provide 5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zoom and a 15x digital zoom. But keep in mind that when the digital zoom is active, image in the digital zoom is starting to crop, and we can only test when the official device will be launched, and we will do a hands-on review on that. The other camera which include a 20 megapixel wide angle lens with a laser autofocus shooter which can shoot 117 degrees of ultra-wide images on the go. There is a 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens which can shoot an image closer to 1.5 centimeter, as you can see in these images as well. And the last, we have a nice 12 megapixel portrait shooter. Looking at the camera and the leaks up till now shows we can shoot images in 108 megapixel camera, while no one has yet mentioned in the leaks or even the officially from Xiaomi that whether this 108 megapixel can shoot an 8K or a 6K video recording. Well, we will see this only when the device will be officially launched. Well, on the back side we do have also noticed alongside with the cameras we have also LED flashlights present on the back side, and this is the first time we have seen that any smartphone which have included a such kind of flashlight present on the back side. At least I see it for the first time. On the back, if you have noticed that we don't see any fingerprint scanner, well, it's because we have an OLED display and we will see an in-display fingerprint scanner inside the device. In terms of internal specification, well, we see 3 different variants coming with the Mi Note 10. The TINA certification shows that the variant have included a 6GB, 8GB and 12GB of RAM, while the storage start from 64, 128 and 256 gigs of storage which is present inside the Mi CC9 Pro. Well, processor wise, if you look at the Mi CC9 Pro, well, there are certain rumors around the market which are searching that and the official, well, regarding the process there are rumors speculating in the internet. Either we can see a Snapdragon 855 plus processor, or we can see a Snapdragon 730G processor inside the Mi Note 10 or Mi CC9 Pro. Yet we don't have any confirmation regarding the processor, so we can't tell exactly which processor will be coming in the Mi CC9 Pro. In terms of battery life, Xiaomi has teased the poster as well, and they are showing that 5260 mAh of a huge battery has been installed inside this device. And looking at this huge battery, I'm expecting that this device will have a heavy weight inside. Well, the specs leaks from the tech certification shows that Android 9.5 with MIUI 10 will be present inside the Mi CC9 Pro, and soon we can get Android 10 on this device. So my final words would be it's a nice addition to have a 108 megapixel camera sensor which can take a sharp images, but whether it can record a video of 8K or even 6K, it will be yet to seen. And along with that, my concern is that if they are using 730G processor inside this device, then it may not have a high and specification, you can say, but I'm skeptical that I'm hoping that they should put a 855 plus processor inside this device. Other than that, all the things which are mentioned by the Xiaomi, and they teased the videos as well as their images are great. Even the night modes are awesome by this camera. So I'm skeptical. Let's see what are the things which are coming inside, and whether this device will be a 5G or it will support a 90Hz display, that yet not been leaked as well. There are some of the official announcement leaks up till now, and pretty much I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, so thanks for watching this video. I will catch you up in the next one. Peace out.